Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this VICSEED bike phone mount. This is a phone holder for our bicycle, for example. It's the upgraded 2023 device here. It's a tank mount. Oh, that's a tank mount. That's really cool. A tank bike phone mount. Military grade protection for our devices. Bike phone holder, secure lock is included. Adjustable handlebar cell phone holder for bike, bicycles, scooters. It's fit for iPhone and Android devices out there. It's available in green and black as you like. For corners and security lock of this bike phone mount, completely wrap each corner of our phone tightly. We make sure that our phone doesn't drop even if it shakes violently. This ball joint of the handlebar clip built into a solid stainless steel core, and it won't break like other bicycle phone mounts. The VICSEED phone holder for bike offers 100% security for our phone in any harsh road conditions. The largest handlebar clamp brings the strongest grip power to fasten the bike cell phone mount firmly by tightening the screw. The phone mount for a bicycle is covered with high-density silicone that can absorb all shocks to protect our phone from vibrates or scratches and brings accident friction to grip our phone and handlebar firmly. This phone, which we install in that holder here, will never slip or move. And it's one push and one release to insert our phone. The arm will string and clamp our phone automatically. It is easy for us to take out it for round about 1 second, so that we can shoot the beautiful scenery whenever and wherever. The one-piece screw-type handlebar clip is easy to install, as you can see. We're putting it to the handlebar and screwing in the nut tight without tools. The nut with two-ear design allows us to twist it easier than opening a bottle cap. And 360 degrees viewing angle. Oh yeah. This phone, which we install here, is 360 degrees rotatable. Horizontally or vertical model, you can choose, no problem. You can put your phone at the perfect angle to enjoy a more relaxing riding. The open face design enables us to pick up the call, view GPS and monitor our average speed freely during the ride. And the compatibility of the bike cell phone holder is big. The handlebar clamp fits for 0.59 inches up to 1.57 inches. These are from 15 up to 40 millimeter clamp design. The handlebar is easy, and it can be mounted on bike, e-bike, dirt bikes, spin bikes, stationary bikes, scooters, and so many more. The bike phone mount holder fits all 4.7 up to 6.8 inches phones with thickness up to 15 millimeter, including phone case, like iPhones, like Samsung devices or Google Pixel, and so many more. The bike phone holder passed the military grade sturdiness test, built in stainless steel and covered with sturdy PVC, and even if it is open or closed 100 times per day, it will not damage. Yeah, it is really cool because the VICSEED cell phone holder provides a good and nice quality to make our smartphone so safe if it clamps here. This upgraded second edition generation bike phone mount, named as its solid tank, withstand countless tests. The bike phone holder gained 10,000 plus cyclist recognition and choices around the world. And we have an easiest one-hand operation. The bike phone mount adopts a Y-shaped structure Just place and lock it. Only 1 second you will need. And 5-second quick installation of the entire device here. Easy and quick installation, nearly tool-free. The innovative bicycle phone mount handlebar clamp make it very easy to attach or detach to the handlebars. And the bike phone holder with 360 degrees swivel head allows us to freely adjust the angle during riding. Our phone can be oriented to portrait, landscape, or any angle we wish. It brings us more easier and safer driving moments, of course. And with security lock system, this phone holder holds our phone with zero wobble. The built-in metal steel arm and the made by high quality materials increase touchness and stability. The bike phone mount is the model CT-VK43A. We can make it on bicycles, motorcycles, baby strollers, etc. The phone holder can hold 4.7 up to 6.8 inches smartphones. And the bicycle clip compatibility is from 0.4 up to 1.97 inches in diameter. We have everything what we need in the box. Anti-theft lock key, connection ball, bicycle fixed clip, adjusting screw. We have the bike phone holder included, so the only thing we need is a bicycle and of course a smartphone. On the back side we have a lock cam, which we can lock the device and unlock the device. The first step, we unscrew and remove the fixed nut from the phone holder itself. We then put the fixed nut to the connection ball of the handlebar. We clamp it together. Line the round hole on the back of the phone holder with the connection ball, and we push it firmly, and it tightens the fixed nut after this. We loosen the adjusted screw and open the jaws of the handlebar to clamp it right off the handlebar to it. We install the handlebar clamp on the bicycle handle and tighten the adjusting screw to fix the bracket. We align the anti-theft lock key with the groove and the adjusting screw and lock it in place. 100% screw, tight only with the key, of course. We turn the anti-clockwise security key to remove the anti-clock after locking the bracket. Then we are on the road. When we are going to disassemble it, we align the anti-theft lock key again with the groove on the adjusting screw and put it in. We gently screw the anti-theft lock key in the opposite direction. That means anti-clockwise, and it will be removable after this. To get the smartphone into position, we turn the lock catch to open on the back side. We hold the phone against the button and clamp the arm and press down it firmly. The upper clamps will automatically open and lock the phone. We turn the lock catch to the lock status, and then our smartphone is secured. Then we can adjust it a little bit as we like. There's area for a power supply. And after using, we turn the lock catch to the unlock status, and we press down the mobile phone firmly to open the bracket and take out our mobile phone. So easy it is to use that device here, and as you can see in that video, it looks really cool, and it makes a good job. This is the VICSEED 2023 upgraded tank bike phone mount for your bicycle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.